Yo, what up mga tol? Kamusta kayo? Samahan niyo ulit ako sa video na to at may game tayo sa DPBL. Ang kalaban natin ay sila Air Sornet Apparel. Wala rin palang talo yung kalaban natin mga tol. Solid lineup din. Kaya mapapalaban talaga tayo. Dito na tayo sa loob mga tol. Tamang video si Inday. Si Inday na naman ng ating videographer, walang iba. Malapit na tayo sa court mga tol at wari ko late na tayo ng isang quarter. Sobrang traffic kasi sa labas. Sinisi mo pa yung traffic, sobrang kupad mo. Yo, what up mga tol? Nandito na tayo sa court ng Satellite. Yun na nga mga tol, nag-i-start na pala yung game natin. Bali naglalaro na sila ng first quarter. Habang tayo nagme-medyas pa lang, ang bagal mo talaga tol. Dito na tayo mga tol. Nag-uumpisa na. Pagdating natin, traffic eh. Warm up muna tapos bakbak na.
Silver is here from a team. And will be now on the count. Alice Laser is good. Pointing the ship. Here's Francis, but it's one of the next guys. Here's a big 8 seconds on the shot clock. There's JP on the rebound. Good tap. And keep it on this. Francis Celeste. Fourteen the ship. D.B. Robin. Pointing the ship. It is good. Open goal, 20 seconds remaining. On is the team. Winner. He's got it at the ship. To downtown. Breathe. There's Mandela against out there. Gandhi just working the ship. And there again. And Francis Celeste gets the finish. J.D. Robin. J.D. Robin. On out. And Celeste. This ball up. Closing of the day. On here's the lead. Simply there's a 3-4. There's another foul. Full clear number 2. And on here's the lead. The 3-pointer. Gandhi with another point. Was a good goal. 19-point lead. Marcos Ayawan. Maxwell Cacho. James Robinson. And the best delegation. And Russell Cacho on the three-pointer. The lead odds by breaking now. Down low. And it's laid off. On here to the team. Marcel Cacho. There's Robin, white the shit. Otto Laser on the shit. And Troy snap. And now he's using up in. On the hand and the piece of foul. J.P. Robin. Marcel Cacho. From downtown, Bree. J.P. Robin. J.P. Robin. Here's Sandy. And here's to the lead. From downtown, Bree. There's a bell. That is first number 3. Miss. Control. Rodriguez. Takes. It's out the Gotti. Takes it out. Ryan. Robin. 3-point shit. Come up. 20 seconds. Robin. 5 seconds. Robin. To Rodriguez. 5 seconds. 14.
Yo, what up mga tol? At doon na nga natatapos ang ating game. Sayang, isa lang lamang ng kalaban natin. Sobrang haba ng hinabol natin mga tol. Pero good game pa rin. Salute pa rin sa mga teammates natin. Shoutout sa yan. Shoutout nga pala sa videographer natin mga tol. Shoutout din sa nakalaban natin.